Take a minute to learn about saving as PDF. If you find a helpful article on the internet that you want to read later or refer back to, you may be in the habit of bookmarking the link to your computer, or you might save the article using an app like Pocket or Evernote. But sometimes the most convenient thing to do is to save the web page to your computer as a PDF. Here's an article from Time for Kids that I want to read later and maybe share out with my families. I could share the link or print the article, but there's another way. Click on the print option here or use the keyboard shortcut Command P to open the dialog box. This is where you normally would choose the printer, but one of the options is Save as PDF. Take a look at the preview window and make sure that the article looks good. Depending on the content of the page, some web pages will look better than others. Click Save and the article will be saved to your computer. Now that you have a PDF, you can read the article later, and you don't have to be connected to the internet to do so, since a PDF is on your computer rather than in the cloud. Here's another example from the We Are Teachers website. Again, Command P to open the dialog box, look at the preview, and then decide if you want to save it as a PDF to your computer, or you can also choose Save to Google Drive, which places the PDF in your Google Drive. Keep in mind that that is a cloud, your Google Drive cloud, so you'll need to be connected to the internet to open that one back up.